Okay, I'm back. So this is about 4 o'clock now. And as you can see, look how deep this is. This is crazy. I'll pull my tape measure out real quick. Let's measure this snow, see how deep this shit is. Let's see how deep this shit is. That is about 7 inches. That's about 7 inches. God, holy, look at this. Man, it's a full-blown blizzard. Golly. So you can see, you can't even see the ground. You can't even see the ground. So it's like 7 inches right here by my house. I don't know where is that everywhere else. She got big snow tires on though. I'm not supposed to be driving, but hey, each his own. Golly, this is unreal. New Orleans. Now I'm facing the wind this way. It's windy too. Holy cow. This? Who would have thought New Orleans though? Really? Is there some genius out here that can explain why the hell we in the middle of a blizzard in middle of New Orleans? The Bayou blizzard. I heard of a lot of things, but I ain't never heard of this one before. And this is the street right here. Almost, you can't even get to the ground. Oh, it's ice up underneath here. Yeah, there's ice. Okay. It's slush, but yeah, this could be dangerous if it freezes over. Holy cow. Now, I don't know. I think you could probably, I don't know. Yeah, nobody cars out here is ready for this. We just got regular ass cars down here. I'm sure people in Utah, Montana, Wyoming probably used to this shit, but oh man, this is crazy, man. I just thought about something. What happens to all those damn cats? Because we got a bunch of stray cats on this block. They're doing good. Yeah, man, I'm going back in. This is crazy. Blizzard in New Orleans. That don't even sound right. All right, man. Y'all stay blessed. Look, I take my glove. Stop this.